Look no further than the 2015 Land Rover Range Rover. With less than 100,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This distinctive Range Rover delivers legendary off-road capability and stunning luxury. Elegant, powerful, richly appointed, and exquisitely modern in every way, it takes you to the pinnacle in royal style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, premium sound system, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, fog lamps, four-wheel drive, power passenger seat. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.